Inventory reminders help you track and manage your inventory by alerting you to situations that may need your attention. When an item's combined on-hand quantity and on-order quantity has fallen below the reorder point, it is added to the reorder item reminder screen. You can print this list to help in creating purchase orders to replenish your inventory. Besides reorder reminders, you are also reminded when item prices change, when new items have been added to inventory, or when items have arrived to fill open customer orders. To view inventory reminders from the home page, select Reminders from the Inventory menu. You can select one of the available tabs. You have your Reorder Items tab. We don't have anything set in the system. We have price changes, so there have been 4 price changes. And this allows you to print your tags for these items with the new price or print out the item list. If you have duplicate items so that you have your UPC or your alternate lookup, if you have items that have the same numbers, you can either edit them or merge them. You can print this item list. This tab will show you all your new items, and you can print tags for these new items or print an item list. And the last one is to fill the customer orders. So you can fill these orders, you can have a report, you can create an item pick list. With the reminders window displayed, you can print the list or double click a displayed record to view it. And we'll double click one right here and we can view the record. If you have multiple stores, reminders are a handy way for remote stores to learn of price changes and new items.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.